God told us that a new season is coming where the truth will prevail.
The kingdom of heaven, there's a king, and his name is Jesus. He's a king who loves his people. He's a king who desires the best for his people. He's a king who's willing to die for his people.
Satan wants you streets, exposed, isolated. Who told you? Who told you that everyone born under the condition of your birth should struggle?
You don't need to wait till you get to heaven to be healed. You don't need to wait till you go to heaven to be set free. We can start experiencing heaven in fashion on earth. We can experience all of those things that are promising us now.
We came to identify the lies. The hand of God will descend upon you to change everything.
Oh my God. There's a God who defeated death, and his name is Jesus. He rose from the dead, and because he lives, you can live forever.
As I sound this alarm, I will blow this trumpet. When you hear the sound of the trumpet, you will hold on, let God arise. Creative wisdom is coming. Creative ability is coming. Innovation is coming. These are part of kingdom oppression. In the name of Jesus.
Register now at dccampmeeting.org.